Okay, y'all. This is going to be a quick one. It is 4 in the morning. And I just so happened to go to my window. Someone's giving me the urge to go to my window. My window was already open. And something gave me the urge to go to my window. I feel really different right now in the spirit. I feel really strange. But listen to this noise. Something is like, I don't know what to even say. I've never heard anything like this before. It was like a siren but it felt spiritual. And now I feel really different in the spirit, not in a bad way. But I don't know how to explain this, but y'all will hear it. Something is about to happen. Huge. And I've never heard that before. But nobody else heard that around me. And I know it because they either sleep or they didn't hear it. Because it was there, then it was gone. And God made sure the timing was perfect. My window was open and something was pulling me to go to the window. And I could feel like the burn of something's coming. Huge. Prepare and get ready. Listen to this. Okay, y'all, so after I heard the noise, I felt something different in the spirit. And it was a peaceful feeling, but I felt different. And it put me to sleep. And around me, I heard God telling me to relax, calm down, because it was so different. Like, it was a powerful feeling, peaceful feeling that just put me out. And around me, I could hear the angels in my room around me. I know I showed y'all, like, the angel just chilling. I could hear Michael talking to me. I could hear God talking to me. I could hear all these angels. It was so sensitive in the spirit. And it's just nobody else heard that. Something is coming, something big. I've never felt that sensitive in the spirit like that before. I felt very sensitive in the spirit, but that was a different type of sensitive. And it was a peaceful feeling. The Lord is about to do something, y'all. Okay? That's all I can say. I just had to share this experience with y'all. Oh, it was such a powerful feeling. I don't know. I've never had that happen, but the Lord did something. And the spiritual realm is heightened. Be prepared, you guys. Peace and blessings, and I will catch y'all in the next one.